This video is especially for those who are dealing with dry, frizzy or damaged hair and looking for something that actually works. I've been using Loreal Absolut Repairing Shampoo along with the conditioner, and honestly, I'm really impressed. My hair was quite dry and slightly damaged, but after a few hours, it feels much softer and smoother. It also reduced frizz a lot. The conditioner makes my hair feel silky without making it heavy. I am recording this on my Android phone, so I'm not sure how much of hair change is clearly visible on camera, but the difference is actually noticeable. This is not a paid promotion, just my honest review. I only share reviews about the product that I personally use and feel satisfied with.